walking slow. That curve of your lips make the whole world glow. No politician, no money, no fame could ever spark up this eternal flame. So keep it shining, don't you hide it away. Bless up the world with the light of your day. Your smile, brighter than the island sun. Mile after mile, your smile, heal the wounded heart, make the spirit go wild. Your smile, let me hear you. Your smile, it's the rhythm of my heart, playing all the while. In this time of war and confusion, your smile is my only solution. No medication, no remedy so true.